bro. How do I do? What do I do?
Just you don't have anything yet, so you just ready up. Or
Alright,
click a.
I'm locked in. I'm locked in.
Alright. Let's get it, fella. Let's get it.
I'm hearing dangers.
Alright. Getting used to the controls.
Ah!
There's chests and stuff around the map that you can open with your money that you gain.
Alright, cool. Oh shit! I'm dead.
No, you're not.
I think I killed an elite.
Follow me if you want to live.
Nah, bro, these guys ain't got nothing on me for real. These guys ain't got nothing on me for real.
Get over here. Come stand next to me. Starting that shit up. What boss is it? What boss is it? Oh my gosh. Beetle Queen, OG boss.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
About to die,
Shit.
Yes, sir. You good?
Yeah, I'm straight. I'm good.
Damn it. Damn, this is fucking perfect shooting, Tix. Great shooting, Tix. Come to. Are you ready?
Yep.
It's gonna teleport us. Jump. Oh, that might have been a bad idea. Oh, it wasn't.
Bro almost died.
Yep. Alright, boy.
Is it random? Does it teleport you to random areas?
Yeah, you'll get a new one. You'll get a new one like every time. Not really. You want to keep your items. What the hell is shooting at me? Oh my gosh. Give me that crate. Give me some good. No, I don't want duplicates. I have 2 duplicates.
Is that the portal down here?
Does it look like a shrine?
No, not really.
Oh, I found it. It's right here. It's on my mark. Clay, Dune, Strider. Oh, we're destroying this thing.
Okay, it's destroying me. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Now we wait. Ooh. Get clapped, kid.
This is a very hard one.
Yeah, it's starting to get
shit.
harder. A demon. Come on, shrine, please be over here. Shrine's over here. I'm getting dupes, dude.
Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Where's that?
It's up there.
Alright, I need help, Camden. Little help.
I'm fighting a lot of stuff right now.
I have it under control. No, I have it under control.
Oh, I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
I'm coming.
I'm just run.
Yeah, just run. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I have like 4,000 robots on me. Oh my gosh, let me cook. Let me cook. Man, I just took out so many robots. Whoa, 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 I didn't ask y'all to come here. Get rocked. I think I might know where it's at though.
What the fuck is this?
Oh my gosh. Oh, what the what? Did you just buy that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is insane. We need that. We needed that. You just bought an insane drone. I tried to do that.
There's another one. There's another one.
I've tried to get one before.
There's another one.
You have two of them?
I don't have one, but there's another one down there. You can probably buy it.
Oh, I'm so close to getting it actually. I'll probably go buy one. I just died.
Did you get it?
I'm dead.
You died?
Yeah, I walked up to something and it one-shot me. What?
How do I revive you?
You can, bro. You gotta finish the boss without me. That's how I'll move on to the next round if you can do that. Start that shit up. Oh my gosh, the magma worm. Oh my god. This is just utter chaos.
Where's the boss at?
Bro, sometimes it like goes and does its own thing. Get that turret on the ground. Oh, never mind. You can say what, you can get another drone, bruh. Big ass drone. Yeah, I have no clue who that magma worm is. Something's killing it though.
Should I look for another one?
No, just complete the teleporter and then do it, because once the teleporter's done, all the bosses will stop and there's a less chance of dying. See, it's almost done. Teleport is complete. Don't go through it though, yeah. I have no clue what the hell that is.
So all the mobs will stop coming now?
Yeah, they stopped coming, so now you can go look for drones and stuff and other stuff. Hooray, I'm back.
Alright, don't die, bro.
It's gonna be hard
I need
because I
you,
don't
bro.
have any loot. Oh, and I can't
Holy shit, what is that thing?
They're just so much bigger.
It's like Satan. There's Satan here, bro. There's Satan here.
What the? They ran away. Get back here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die again. I'm about to die again. Yep, I'm dead. It's like I have nothing. Like I can't do anything.
Shall I activate it now?
Yeah, you can do whatever. You might get fucked though. Oh my gosh, we're about to die already.
can't be bothered. I can't be bothered. I can't. Fuck around, find out, bro. I'm him.
I'm not gonna have fun next game.
I'm him. Ethan, I'm him. Ethan, bro, I'm too good.
I'm not gonna have fun next game. Go through the teleporter so I don't have to fucking die over and over again.
Bro, I have to find loot.
I haven't even been alive, so.
Huh?
I'm not even. I'm fucked. I'm so fucked, dude.
You're good, bro. Chill.
No, I'm gonna die. Like off rip.
You're good, bro. Chill.
Like, what is that? Oh my gosh.
What the fuck is that thing, bro?
What thing?
Oh my god.
What? Where? Oh, on you?
All the way over here, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's a worm on me. Oh my gosh, there's a worm on me. Oh my gosh, there's a worm on me. Okay, I get it. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Oh my gosh. What am... Oh my gosh. One of your drones died.
One of my drones died?
Yeah, something killed it.
What? Please swear.
I swear.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck, I'm dead. I'm dead.
How?
Oh shit, bro. Oh shit, bro.
Bro, I don't even know where you're at. Oh! Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm dead. It took one shot for me to die.
How low is the worm?
Dude, the worm, like, is just the boss. It's just like the boss, but here. Oh, that's...
That hurts. What the fuck is that? What is he charging up right now?
Oh my god.
How is he charging up?
I don't know, but you were in his flame. Damn.
Dude, I cooked.
Yeah, you did pretty good.
I got killed by grandparent.